In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Google Chrome faster. Google Chrome being slow can be annoying to use, so here's how you can make it faster. Go to the top right and press the three dots and go down and press Settings. Come over to the left and press System. If your graphics acceleration is currently off, try turning it on. If it's currently on, then try turning it off. Go and see if that makes an impact. And then next, come to the left again and press Reset Settings. And you can press Restore Settings to its original defaults. This will reset these different things here. Make sure that you want to go and do this, and you can then press Reset Settings. And then come back to Chrome and see if it's improved. Press the three dots on the top right and go and find Extensions and press Manage Extensions. And then you'll notice that some of your extensions will be turned off, so you can try turning them on one by one. And if you find one that makes it laggy, then just remove it. Thank you for watching.